Hey everyone, day 3 at the Kaseya.com. I'm joined by Belinda from MSP Blueshift in Victoria. Hi Belinda.
Hi everyone, how you going?
So tell me a little bit more about, please, your background of MSP Blueshift and what prompted you to go down the path of AI and automation and eventually choosing Pia as your preferred automation platform.
So I think it was DataCon maybe 2 or 3 years ago. Um, Obviously, we did the demo. It was a new product on the market. We were finding it hard to find staff at a lower level to do the moves and changes, the new
Yeah.
user creations, PC builds, that kind of stuff.
Repetitive tasks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're also really keen into automation. So obviously with our RMM tool, we do a lot of automation with that. We're a very automated business, so it kind of ticked all the boxes for us. And the potential to do all the sort of lower end move data changes kind of
Yeah, of
tasks.
course, yeah.
And then utilize our techs and upskill our techs in other areas of the business where we didn't have to have one person or two people, lower level techs, completing those. They could actually gain skills in other areas of the business and upskill and grow. So
Absolutely.
we signed the dotted line. I won't lie, we thought it was going to be easy. We realised pretty quickly that we had to sort of develop it to what our environment looks like, what our workflow looks
Yeah,
like.
absolutely.
So we hired a developer. She works part-time, Amelia, purely building packages and automations for us. So I think we went from starting from 35 to now we have 380 in place. So basically it's doing the job of two people.
Yeah, you had an amazing story of how much money you're saving. It's
Yeah,
crazy.
definitely.
Are you
So-
comfortable sharing
Yeah,
the
definitely.
data?
So for us, basically, we have a team in Manila, and I gave my team lead the task of getting it up and running once we had all the packages and the implementation sorted. What we found was because PR was automating so much of the moves that changes, the new users, the PC builds, we found that we actually didn't have enough work for two of our staff in Melbourne. So for us, that would save us $150,000 a year.
150,000.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And obviously the cost of this product, it's nowhere near that amount of money. So, for us, that's an increase to our bottom line, which is what every business wants. Not only that, it's become really ingrained in our business now. So when a new tech comes on board, that's the first thing they learn. So we have a rotation system where, they kind of are in charge of making sure that the peer tickets are getting completed, the adoption rates at a certain level. We're really utilising it to full efficiency and getting, more bang for our buck, so to speak.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for your amazing story. If you want to know more about Pia, please come and join us at the Pia booth. And let's get you on the same journey as Belinda. Belinda, thank you so much for your time. Thank you
Definitely
so much.
sign up. You won't regret it.
Thank you.